Hey guys, what's up? This is Mabin. I'm back. So for today, I'm here again at the Beanbox, and kung nakita niyo intro, nakita ko yung video ko sa may labas sa Beanbox, yung malaking TV kanina. Grabe guys, pinapalabas pala yung video ko doon. So right now, I'm with the COF today, and yun, kakain lang ulit kami. Hanapin namin si Sir Ivor kasi may invite kami sa Beanbox. So yun, nakita na namin si Sir Ivor yung nag-invite sa amin ulit na pumunta dito sa Beanbox dahil dun sa ginawa kong vlog, yung nakita nyo yung upload ko. So I'm with again the COF. Minus Pao kasi may klase pa siya, susunod na lang siya dito. Hi po sa vlog!
Thank you po. Ang laking tulong siya, may naging part na yun. Kumbaga, hindi lang nini-expect. Actually, sinisplay na namin siya sa labas. We're so very proud of it, actually. So yun, as an appreciation treat ko.
So guys,
Free food!
I'm shocked!
Hi po. Thank you.
Thank you po. Super.
Thank you po.
Super shook ba?
Shook.
Shook. So yan, kain na tayo. Ayan o, may paramin pa si Aunt Shirley.
Thank you, Beanbox Commonwealth, for the free food. Hashtag I love Beanbox.
So ngayon po, ito-try namin. Ito-try namin yung ano, yung pang Korean.
Oo, yung ang tawag yung hanap. At ayun yung pang boys guys.
Hey ate, hello po!
Hello po!
Hello po.
Hello!
Hi, thank you sa
Guys, po pala yung unang nag-serve sa amin at nagpapasok sa amin kahit di pa open yung Beanbox.
Thank you.
Hi, Kuya Ross!
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Ivor! Thank you po, thank you po.
Hi. Hi again. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video for today. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below some topics that you want me to do in my next videos, and subscribe to my channel to be part of the hashtag Mabulus Fam. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye!